you got two speakers. Two speakers right here, one here, and one there. And Rocky was in the middle, so I could just separate them. My point is, yeah, I bought these at the City Thrift last night for a low price of $4.98 as is. Now, as is being the fact that it requires one of those USB plugs and the audio in. Thankfully, that USB power plug, I have one. Because my video camera, not the one I'm using right now, but my other one, has the same plug. And since I still have the cord hooked up to this computer, I can do that. And the audio in, I got plenty of those. So, what we are going to do right now, I'm going to hook them up and we'll see what we got. But first, let me at least explain, because I think I saw these at Walmart last year. I think they light up with the water bubbles and stuff to the beat of the music. I could be wrong. So what I'm going to hook them up and we'll see what we got. Alright guys, it's lit up, plugged up, and we'll give it a go. For the record, this is my video, so I don't want any copyright notice because I'm using my video for this video. Yeah, believe it or not, this is my first video of 2018. While I honestly do not really want to do this, well, what we'll do, yeah, you know, I'm going to find something that's not going to get me copyright notice. I mean, pretty much anything's going to be copyright notice, so, yeah, I'll find something. And we'll give this a shot. Yeah. Yeah, not bad, but could have been better. But here we have the awkward USB powered stereo speakers with the waterfall lights and whatnot. No information available on this because, well, I think it was Walmart grade crap. But I digress. So I guess until next time, whatever it is, I'm Eskie, thanks for watching, and that sound box is open.